Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here. Do you think your kids want 50,000 unorganized photos? I don't think so. They don't really want a photo mess, even if it's digital. So let's talk about those digital photos piling up on all your devices. We snap away, capturing memories and moments, but what happens next? It's time for a reality check. Our kids don't want a massive collection of unorganized memories when they grow up. Here's the truth. Memories are priceless, but they're even more valuable when they're easily accessible and meaningful, i.e., they connect to stories. Imagine your child scrolling through thousands of random photos, struggling to find the ones that truly matter. Let's change that narrative. Here are a few simple steps to transform your photo chaos into cherished memories. 1. Sort and organize. Take time to declutter your photo library, create folders or albums for different events, milestones, or even themes. It's like building a digital scrapbook. 2. Curate with love. Select the best, most meaningful pictures that truly capture the essence of each moment. Remember, you want quality over quantity. 3. Add context. Memories become even more meaningful when accompanied by stories and anecdotes. Jot these down to share with future generations. For digital images, this can be done actually right in the image file. 4. Back it up. Make sure your digital memories are safe by backing them up on both external hard drives and cloud storage. Not just one, you need 3 copies. Don't rely solely on your device. 5. Share the joy. Instead of overwhelming your loved ones with an avalanche of photos, share carefully chosen highlights that will truly resonate and bring smiles to their faces. Do this now. You don't have to wait for much later. Remember the things that you just did. So remember, the goal is to create a treasure trove of cherished memories, not a digital graveyard of forgotten snapshots. Let's be intentional about preserving and sharing the moments that truly matter. To learn how to get started, sign up at SaveYourPhotosMonth.org. If you have questions, put them in the comments below so I can help you get started using your photos to tell your stories so they will last for future generations.